Meaning of fishwife.
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 Fishwife. A fishwife is a term used to describe a woman who sells fish. The term is often used in a derogatory manner to imply a woman who is loud, aggressive, and foul-mouthed. The origins of the term date back to the medieval times when fishwives would sell their fish at marketplaces in England. In modern times, the term is less commonly used to refer to women who sell fish and more commonly used to describe a woman who is loud and obnoxious. The term is considered sexist and derogatory towards women.